Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today is day 60 of learning English. First task is 10-minute reading. Start. Parts of Delhi receive light to moderate showers on Wednesday. Cloudy sky and a cool breeze made the outdoors comfortable. Light rain is likely on Thursday and Friday. India Meteorological Department data show that SPS Mayur Bihar logged the maximum rainfall at 46.5 mm between 8:30 am and 5:30 pm. Other stations with moderate rainfall include Noida at 30.5 mm, Nazafgarh at 26.5 mm, and Lahori Road at 20.6 mm. Light rainfall was observed in other parts of Delhi NCR. Sadarjung, the city base stations, recorded 12.6 mm of rainfall. The rain caused the maximum temperature to dip by 2.8 degrees Celsius on Wednesday. Compared to previous day, the maximum temperature was 32.4 degrees Celsius, 2 degrees Celsius above normal. The relative humidity range between 76% and 100%. The maximum temperature stood at 26.4 degrees Celsius, 1 degree below normal. Naresh Kumar, scientist IMD, said the monsoon through inactive and come to its normal position on Wednesday. Beside a cyclonic circulation lies in lower and middle tropospheric levels. Under the influence of those two weather systems, light to moderate rain was recorded on Wednesday. Kumar added the cyclonic circulation is likely to become weak, hence light rain is predicted on Thursday and Friday. Between the monsoon through is expected of oscillate and light to moderate rain is likely from August 10 to 12. Municipal Corporation of Delhi on Wednesday claimed to have received 6 complaints of waterlogging from Saharda, South Krishna Nagar, Rajgarh Colony, Karol Bagh, Block 15A, Rohini, Pem Nagar, West Rama Park, South Aya Nagar zones respectively. There was only one complaint of tree felling from Rohini zone, sector 16. IMD was issue a yellow alert. Be aware for light to moderate rain or thunder showers for August 10 to 12. The Met Department was predicted that the maximum temperatures true is likely to over around 32-33 degrees Celsius